Welcome to Little Star Rhymes.
A for astronaut, flying high, zooming fast across the sky. B for big star, shining bright, glowing gently in the night. C for comet with a tail, zooming by like a silver trail. D for distant moon, so round, quiet place with no loud sound. E for earth, our home so blue, spinning softly, me and you. F for fireball, blazing red, streaking fast where meteors tread. G for galaxy, far and wide, millions of stars side by side. H for helmet, astronauts wear, keeping them safe everywhere. I for infinite, space so grand, mysteries waiting in every land. J for Jupiter, giant king, stormy rings and swirling wind.
And look at the letter
K for kind sun, shining
hello to
bright,
the astronaut.
keeping planets warm with
And look
light.
at the letter K.
L for lunar rovers, wheels rolling gently on moon fields. M for meteor, fast and small, flash of light before it falls. N for nebula, filled with glow, color clouds that softly flow. O for orbit, round and round, planets follow without a sound. P for planets, spinning slow, each with secrets we can know. Q for quiet, deep space air, silent stillness everywhere. R for rocket, blasting high, up it goes into the sky. S for spaceship, silver bright, sailing through the stars at night. T for telescope, zooming far, letting us see each little star. U for universe, so wide, endless wonders on every side. V for Venus, glowing gold, hot and shiny, bright and bold. Down we learned our ABC, flying through space in harmony. Stars and planets shining bright, ABC in space, what a sight.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more rhymes.